Tolentino. Back set. Set to number 11. Riterta. Nice dig by De
Nice
Leon.
dig by De Leon. Set to Shivana.
First point of the match and it's a long rally.
Larry. First point pa lang.
Middle.
Sobrang haba na ng rallying ito.
Oo nga, coach. And the team to win 3 sets wins the match. It's just the first point. Ayan. Masyadong mahabang rally ito.
Every team has a good defense na pinapakita sa first point pa lang.
Tolentino sets to
Laput
Laput.
point for De La Salle University. And
Kung pwede lang bigyan ng 10 points yun, coach.
Yeah.
Tal player. Sari gets that point. Letran. Score is 2, serving 1. Laput
backline hit from La Salle and a point.
and Riterta.
That's
is
with
season 86 I think or 87 this year. Tingnan natin yung difference na nawala sila, coach.
for the next season. You
Totoo.
can see, you can hear the cheer from the La Salle.
Provido hails from Iloilo City. So as you can see, all players in the UAAP or in the NCAA
Mga galing
come from all over
Yeah,
the provinces and cities.
Provinces.
Who's the beach volley champion, beach volleyball champions of NCAA.
That's
And-
another point for Laput.
Powerful
Positive service from Angel Cadino.
and a hard floater there coming from her always. Makilang, dug by Canino. Laput,
Valentino to Laput again
Silva, ever reliable libero.
from Letran. Still good.
But it was
In from La Salle.
with her
But at that age, makikita mo talaga kay Angel Canino that
her Angel Canino.
good reception from Letran.
Makilang,
Makilang.
but
But it's a net violation.
for Makilang during the NCAA season 99 is that she was awarded as the freshman of the year in the indoor tournament, but she's also the rookie of the year and
Makikita mo sa mukha niya na talagang she's willing to win every game.
even during her junior years she's quite that
It's Nitura on the service line.
nice receive by De Leon.
Set to Camino.
You can see that she's on top of the blockers.
Yes, for sure.
And now Saire, jumping serve. Laput, blocked.
But it's good. Another for Laput. Another powerful hit from Laput.
That was a cross-court attack. 17, serving 10. And how lucky is she? Ayan, pleasure to watch. A talented player in the Letran side of the court. The setter, Estrelier.
Catches the line, incredible timing
Cross court
power
spike.
for Angel
From
Canino.
Angel Canino.
Yeah. It was a broken.
First set of the match.
And sabi nila, medyo mahirap daw talaga i-receive kapag lefty ang nagsiserve.
That's
Oh.
Australia, but chance ball for La Salle.
Belkas. That
Good,
was Estrelier again.
Another for the Terta, but it's denied by Letran.
Okay, nice attempt. Nitura.
Nitura giving that point for Letran.
Powerful smash by Nitura. But she's there, so
Yeah, but of course having the guidance of our DJ and other
that,
La
is,
Salle coaches.
that is correct.
Sayang yun.
Another unforced error by Nitura.
Katrina Del Castillo.
Now La Salle having the 9-point lead.
So-
That was a good serve from Letran.
Sayang.
Australia setting to Sari.
Nice dig again by De Leon.
And that broken ball. Wow.
De La Cruz showing that she can still do it from piling up. Canino. Nice dig by Silva.
Still good. Sarig. That's Tolentino to
Laput.
Laput.
Estrelial's dig was out of bounds. Serve specialist. Rightly so. Laput over the blocks.
It's Laput who ended the first set of this match.
You can see the disparity in the height there. So first set won Letran for the beach volleyball tournament. So they will defend and have that three-peat na gusto nila. But this time, in the indoor volleyball scene, LaSalle wants to end the game. De Leon, middle,
Leon giving to Provido
power tip.
and making it a point for LaSalle.
Middle is activated. Nandun si Canino.
Strong hit
Getting that
for
point.
jersey number 12.
She's sabi nating elite, no? Once in every generation maybe. And it's quite a sensation right now.
Yeah, now in
No
her
entry,
generation.
six, De La Salle University.
LaSalle.
Nice receive by
Australia
Silva.
set to Sari. But it's denied by LaSalle.
In front of LaSalle, you know, the average height maybe is around 5'9". Back set to Laput.
To Laput.
Nice dig by Silva.
Australia reviving it. Setting to Makilang. Tolentino to
Canino.
Canino. Making sure it's a point for LaSalle. At even the second six of the lineup of LaSalle, you can see the height. It's only the two liberos na talagang medyo not good.
Canino.
But it's blocked.
Nice
By
coverage
Soler.
by Laput.
Duterte on the
Estrelier.
backline attack.
Reterta. Yeah.
Colendra setting to
Makilang.
Makilang.
Reterta.
It's the long rally for the second set.
Makilang.
These two teams giving us the first long rally of the second set.
Nandun si De Leon.
Leon,
This
Canino.
one.
Still save by Letran. Chance ball for De La
Free
Salle.
Del
Tolentino
Castillo.
is
Power tip again.
still good.
And that ball, they lead by 5. 10 serving 5.
Tolentino to Del Castillo giving that point for the Salle. One here is cheating for Angel Canino.
That was a miscalculation by Sari. Yes,
There's a miscommunication.
blocking. LaSalle still dominating.
That was a good play.
Converted to an opposite
Hitter,
hitter.
Abby Maraño. It's Reterta.
Yeah,
But
coverage
it's denied by
Provido.
Letran. Letran reviving
Ball
it.
still alive.
Chance ball for De La Salle. Tolentino giving to Reterta again, but it's denied by Letran. That was a good intention from Tolentino.
Score now.
The setter serving.
Sterlier giving it to De La Cruz. The ball still good. Sterlier to Colendra. Tolentino giving that play to Laput.
Such a strong
That was
power
a little shorter, no? But she'll be more formidable pa kapag na-perfect niya yun. Colendra,
What a way to finish that
finding
game.
ways also for Letran.
Yeah.
They have to really get it together para dumikit sila sa LaSalle this time. De Leon was there. Laput again. One block. It's an easy target for Laput.
Napal substitute to Ledesma. Felrenda setting that ball.
Looking for that spark for Letran. Nice.
Nice
Big.
receive.
And it's out.
Out of bounds.
This is quite a good exposure for those players, no? Who will not be given time to play inside or serving.
That's
And-
Colendra again for
Yeah.
Letran. That's a good reception given by the libero, but sabi ni Del Castillo,
Strong
again,
serve.
strong
by
serve
Laput.
from Lapu.
Nice receive.
Denied by Del Castillo.
Obrago
Chance
was
ball for
checked.
Lasal.
Del Castillo.
It's Tumayaw. Tolentino setting to
Sindayen. So the timing was off. Another substitution.
That's a sure serve.
Laput.
And that's how you finish
Back row attack.
set number 10.
And
Laput ended the second set of the match.
dominant display of
Grab this opportunity to greet our players from LPU Laguna. And now it's Francesca Rodriguez. Coach Ramil using Rodriguez on the third set.
spectacular dig there by Makilang. Okay.
Point
First point
for
goes to
National
Lazal
University.
tournament.
Now Lasal is using the new libero here. We have Rodriguez.
Tournament format, the first two top-ranked teams will vie for the championship tomorrow. And sila pa rin yun,
Sila
coach.
pa rin yun. It's Lasal and Letran pa rin who will play the championship tomorrow. Still here at USEP Gymnasium.
So we will get the taste of what
We will see, Coach, if Letran will limit their unforced error on this set.
yes, but by saying that,
Point
coach,
for Lady Spikers.
Ledesma Malaluan, wala pa si Baby Jane Soreño. So they have a deep, deep bench.
That was a good running hit for Ledesma pero naiangat ng Lasal. And having that,
Ah.
yes,
So you will commit more unforced errors kasi iwas mo sa
mo
kanya.
sa kanya. Tolentino
Set to
giving that
Del
to Del Castillo. Silva to Martin. Tolentino to Shivana
Medyo
again.
mababa pa yung set. Dapat taasan konti. Makilang.
Matangkad kasi itong si Laput. We are having a rally here, but Laput ended it with a cross-court attack.
But jersey number
Those players from the bench.
But no
But-
mercy. Nice pancake by Tolentino.
That's a chance ball for Letran. Setting to
Martin.
Martin, trying to get that point. Tolentino to Canino. Still good.
Down the line attack
Down the line
by
attack.
Canino.
But it's a misreceive coming from
For distributing the sets for Lasal because Laput is there. Del Castillo also. Provido is quite silent right now. But she's all
Tolentino
over.
trying to save the ball, but
That's correct. Lasal.
it's Martin serving for Letran. Iturta to
Del
Tolentino.
Castillo.
Good by Colendra. Makilang.
Makilang.
But it's denied by De La Salle.
Just a comparison of their anthropometric measurements or the physicality of her brother here played for basketball. Doon siya nakita and na-discover ni Coach Ramil.
Sabi nga nila, hindi mo may tuturo ang height.
Totoo
But,
yan.
but makikita mo rin sa Letran kung gaano sila ka eager na makagawa ng point for them.
Is in the front row for Letran. Del Castillo there, spiking that ball. Blocked. The set was
You can
too
see
close.
that kanino on top of the blocker.
Oo. Tsaka medyo short kasi yung pagbato.
Still good.
Makilang.
Makilang.
Laput is present.
Chance ball for Letran. Earlier giving to
Makilang.
Makilang again. And it's Makilang. Got that point.
And how lucky can you be?
For De La Salle University.
Lasal will get the match for tonight.
Ayun. De La Cruz.
That
Power
was
tip.
Tip, setter Tolentino.
Estrelier now serving.
It's De Leon setting the ball to Reterta. Blocked by De La Cruz. Shibana seeing that hole in the middle.
Yeah. The ball's still alive. Del Castillo this time.
Castillo this time.
First.
You know what, Coach? This is a good opportunity for these both teams as they're preparing big leagues. So
That is
we
right.
have to thank Davao for inviting
Oo.
the tournament.
Now, De La Cruz is serving for
Royce De La
Letran.
Cruz serving.
What? That was a
a
good
highlight
set.
spike. Right. Pwede na pang TikTok yun.
Yes!
Reels.
Of the
Nitura was part of the starting six in the first set. Ngayon lang siya binalik uli.
On
It's Lapo giving that point for Lasal. For Lasal. Estrelier giving that
De La
ball
Cruz,
to the Cruz.
blocked by
And
Cortez.
It's Cortez. I guess it's the first point of Cortez for this match. And now we're having our
For Lasal.
that was a good serve from Estrelier. And it's Cortez who ended the match.
You can hear the boom of that smash.
Yes.
Coach Hazel. And with that, LaSalle wins the match.
Vallejo Design 1.
Match inside the USEP gym. So we are inviting everyone tomorrow to come and watch live or via Facebook in the Madayao Davao Sports